Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in. So we'll start from M. This was shown in our previous videos. Now we'll start with M. So we require 4 blocks for M. We leave this 1, 2, 3, the N. So M, N, O, P. M requires 4 blocks. So 1 centimeter I leave here, put a dot, connect this. Then again we'll leave 1 centimeter from here. And again here 1 centimeter. Now for N, align here at the end. Now a dot here, a dot here. So this will connect here, but because of this line, second line will go till here only, and here this will connect this point this way. So a line will come from here, a line will come. For O, just remove the edges in between also, 1 centimeter from here, and remove the edges. Sides, you have to make the sides darker. For P, we have taken half. Okay, 1 centimeter you have to leave from here and 1 centimeter from here.